So you're sitting in your office, typing away. Maybe you're writing an email, maybe you're writing a document, and a client comes in and asks you the question, the very important question. Olga, what is in our contract? And he or she pretends like it's a very small question. But this, my friend, is no small question. That's a very, very big question. It's a huge question. In fact, 80% of the time, that is the question that will lead to me spending all night putting up fire. But what I found when I implemented a CLM solution that has alerts and notices, the number of questions, what's in our contract, has decreased. And I have been able to spend my energy better. Because when you have alerts that can notify your stakeholders, that can notify you, not only do you not have to ask, how do I fit all of the stuff in my calendar that is already exploding? You empower people on your team to self-help, to know what's going to happen, to know what's in their contracts, and most importantly, to do something about it.